Hi Scorpio, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do your in-depth reading today. Let's see how you're doing, Scorpio, how your person is doing, and what action we can expect in your love life now. These are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Scorpio and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Scorpio, let's begin. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And Scorpio, if you're new here, we welcome you also. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. So two sides to the story as always, Scorpio. One side is for you, one side is for your person. For the duration of this reading, I will be calling this side is person A, this side is person B. You decide which side you're on if this is your story. And in the center, I'll have your dialogue message cards and your action cards as to what action you guys might take towards each other. So one for you and one for you. All right, Scorpio. King of Cups under my deck here. So somebody's got a lot of love here, Scorpio. Maybe sometimes King of Cups is also a bit emotionally manipulative, to be honest. From what I see from person A's point of view, how they are feeling there's a lot of delay going on in this connection. They're not getting it back to track the way as fast as they would want it. And they fear that there may not be any new beginning coming for them where this is concerned. Where person B is concerned, I think they have been stabbed in the back already, been emotionally manipulated by person A in the past. For person B, they feel this is over. They feel that person's been very selfish in the past, been very self-centered and very emotionally manipulative. So according to them, they feel there's no way in now. And that's exactly how person A is also kind of feeling. They're hoping it's just a delay, but heart of hearts, I think they are fearing that it may be over. They do have love in their heart, it seems. Let me take some dialogue message cards, Scorpio, to get the ball rolling here. See if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be first. Scorpio and their person, if they could say something to each other, Spirit. And if any of you are looking for a personal reading, Scorpio, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Let's take a couple more from here. Scorpio and their person. Okay. All right, good to go, Scorpio. Let's begin your reading. The first card I have here says, I don't feel threatened by the karmics anymore. They're just playing their role. I don't care what my family or anyone else has to say. I want you and nobody else. Sometimes I leave so you know that you will be just fine without me. I'm learning that I can still have a great life without you. Soon I plan on returning, hoping it can work this time. See, one person is leaving and the other person is still thinking that, it can work out. I'm very sorry that I caused you so much pain. I feel so stupid for choosing lust over love. So Scorpio, these are resonating with your storyline. Let's start your reading. I am going to start with an angel blessing card. See how my angels are going to bless this reading with the blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. Blessing, play music. Take a chill pill, Scorpio. Nothing really to, get worried about here, I think. Whatever you've decided, I think, is the right path for you to take. And don't worry about anything else. Just relax, keep relaxed. I think that's what Spirit is saying. But let's see what's going on here. I'm going to start with the energies of person A. Sometimes Scorpio play music can also be a card of saying the angels sometimes send you messages through music. Sometimes even your person who's energetically connected to you sends you messages through music. So pay a little attention to the lyrics of the songs that you hear, maybe repetitive songs, or if you have a question in your heart, ask that question, play some random music. I'm sure the angels will respond through the lyrics of songs. So now let's start, Scorpio, with person A. Forget about person B now. Don't get confused. I'm only concentrating on one energy. This side could be you. You could be on the other side. So 9 of Pentacles, Spirit in reverse, and the Fool. 9 of Pentacles in reverse. They don't want to be single anymore. I don't think this person wants to be single anymore, nor do they want to see their partner as single. They really want to heal this heart which has been broken, I think, by something. They do want to charge towards person B now. They want some forward action, but now they are realizing that they've done something in the past which has created some very bad memories between the two of you. Yes, they are a little afraid that because of some foolish behavior of theirs, things may just not work out, or too many cards, but I'll take them. Yes, Scorpio, somebody cheated in the past, maybe lied, maybe juggled. This was probably around a marriage or a very strong foundation that you guys had, but somebody did the nasty here. They fooled their partner, they cheated on them, they juggled them, and now they're realizing, oh my God, I don't want to be single, and I've made so many foolish mistakes, I may just not be forgiven. Even though they want to rush forward, they want to do something to heal this connection. Let's see what happened in the recent past, Spirit. What did this person do? Person A did something sneaky here, yes, but whatever they did, I think backfired on them. What did they do, Spirit? 7 of Swords in reverse. Why did this entire connection backfire? Because they were being emotionally manipulative. See, the same card is out. We were discussing this earlier, right? They were being emotionally hurting their person, I think. Now, as much as they recognize the love they have in their heart, earlier they were maybe not showing their emotions or playing with the person B's emotions, something like that. And this kind of behavior, I think, has backfired on them. And that passion, I think, just kind of left the building. Yes, they never invested in their connection when the time was right. They had an opportunity to have this happily ever after forever and ever, right? But I think somebody did not put in the right kind of investment, right amount of work that goes into building a strong foundation. And now things are not moving. Ace of Wands in reverse. No offer is being given or taken. And this person is a bit afraid now because they don't want to be left alone. They don't want to be single, and they don't want their partner to be single either. So, Spirit, how does person A now see this relationship or their person? 4 of Swords in reverse. Person A is very restless right now, probably quite depressed as well, could be unwell. They are thinking non-stop, I think, about all the mistakes they've made, how this connection has totally taken a wrong turn. They still find person B to make them very, very happy. It would make them the happiest if some way, somehow, they could not let this connection go and could hold on to it. They don't want this to end because they know that person B brought them a lot of happiness. Am I right, Spirit? Death in reverse. Death in reverse. Death in reverse. Yes, this person is almost obsessed about thoughts of getting their partner back now. They want a return of this. Person A is totally obsessed with person B, wanting this connection to be restored and brought back. So what action person A will do to do that, we'll open later. Let's see what mind frame person B is in right now. So person B is, I think, already given up. They've been betrayed big time. 10 swords in their back. That's enough for anyone to feel, it's over. 10 of swords, Spirit. 10 of swords. They're very happy to be by themselves. I think they're trying to find wish fulfillment in themselves, within themselves. They're absolutely not even interested in right now, I think, communicating or messaging or talking to person A, from what I feel. They feel my person has always been very, very emotionally unavailable to me, has been selfish, has been greedy, has been self-centered, and I don't want to live in a connection where I'll always look back at my past and see it with sadness and regret. I want my happiness now. I'm going towards my Nine of Cups now. They fear going back to this person will put them back in that place where they'll always be sad and miserable. Yes, person A, B has now become the Empress. They don't need anyone, especially not a person who's been, not available for them. The person B is now shining bright. They can take care of themselves. They are the kind of person who anyone will, want in a snap of a finger. They don't want to go back to somebody who they've had an experience with, which was not the best. So person B is not interested, it seems. So what happened in the recent past, Spirit, for person B to be feeling this way? They lost trust. Queen of Swords in reverse. They lost trust of their person. They, I think, were at crossroads for a long time in this connection, and they were hurt quite badly. Not only were they hurt, they were upset, they were angry, and finally they lost trust and went off for a brand new beginning for themselves. They felt that there was too much of lies here, there was too much of cheating here, there was never any forward, clear movement in this connection. And yes, because of that, I think they have made up their mind that I'd rather be single and take care of myself and be abundant on my own than be with somebody who's only going to give me lies and nothing else. So, Spirit, how does person A now see this connection or see person A now? They don't want a second chance, it seems. Judgment in reverse. They've already called judgment on person A. They don't want a second chance with person A. And they are also quite intuitive. They are keeping to themselves. They're keeping their secrets to themselves. They're not, I don't think, in too much conversation with person A. They've got their boundaries firmly in place now. Person B is not interested. High Priestess, Spirit. High Priestess. I think the kind of conversation that they do have is very, even if there is conversation between the two of you, it's just to leave a small window maybe open of maybe acquaintances or friends or something. That's very, very flighty kind of conversation here. Just so that, there is whatever, it's just friends without benefits. So this person is keeping majorly to themselves. They are keeping all their stuff to themselves. They don't want to open up too much to person A. Keep it very light and flowing, because I don't think they're interested in having a connection back. Yes, according to person B, they've already dropped this burden. I don't want to, because I was doing all the work here. This was too much for me to carry. I was the only one holding all the wands while my partner was being selfish here. So I've already done this, Omkara, I'm not interested. Now I'm being smarter with my time and my energy and my words. So any action person A will take now, Spirit? Five of Cups. They are sitting in their regret and sorrow. Just the thing that person B didn't want to be stuck in is exactly what person A is going through now. Now they're looking back saying, oh, what did I do? I spilled all that love and it's all gone. They want to turn around. I think that's the action they want to take. They would like to turn around and still find those two cups which are full and kind of re-begin once again. But will they take any action for it, Spirit? Will person A take any action? One more, Spirit. Will they take any action? Oh, okay. Yes, they do want their person back. They do want to show up now as the Emperor. But I think I could be mistaken here, Scorpio. You can tell me in the comments. They do want to now show up as the emperor and say, I am now going to be the perfect person. But the problem here is that this person B has their sword up now. They've become very strong since they left. They have left. They have left the building. They've got their sword up. They've found their own strength. They've already walked away. So I'm not sure whether they'll be successful with that. Let's take a general card and see, Spirit, what can we expect now? What can we expect now? Not right now. I don't think person B is going to agree to come back into a committed sort of relationship here, Scorpio. Person A is trying to show themselves maybe as they've improved, or now they do love person B. But they also, they are heart of hearts, they know that it may not be possible. They may not be given a second chance here. And where person B is concerned, they are glowing big time. Empress, pre-empress, and also the high priestess. This person is very wise. And I don't think is going to immediately agree to having anything stable, at least not for now. They're quite happy doing their own thing and kind of keeping things light. Not fighting for the connection at all. They're still angry. They're still angry because I think person A really kind of did something which made them feel bad. So that's all I have for you. Take care, Scorpio. Love and light. Take care. Namaste. See you soon.